New 2024 Toyota Tacoma EV. Price, release date, and hybrid engine. Toyota recently unveiled a design for an electric pickup truck, along with a bevy of other new EV concepts. Although no official information has been released, the images suggest a crew cab design with 4 doors that is likely to be the same size as the current Tacoma. With its small bed, outstanding ground clearance, and all-terrain tires, the EV truck automatically has 4 WD. It will probably have at least 215 horsepower available, which it will get from the dual motor system of the AWDB's 4X base models are likely to have a more economical 2 WD drivetrain. While it's unlikely that an electric pickup will be officially introduced in the upcoming year, Toyota acknowledged its plans to construct one in 2021. We're hoping that additional details will be revealed in 2024. Toyota recently showcased concept cars that symbolize its upcoming EV lineup. One seems to be a mid-size pickup truck that closely resembles Tacoma. It may be an intriguing proposition, even though the manufacturer hasn't said whether the vehicle would be dubbed the Tacoma EV or when it might be marketed in the United States. The Tacoma, as it is now, can only be purchased as a gas-powered vehicle. It doesn't have the diesel engine seen in rivals like the Chevy Colorado, and it doesn't have the advantages of smaller cars like the Ford Maverick in terms of fuel efficiency. Toyota has made significant investments in hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, although it is a latecomer to the EV market. Although the idea of an electric pickup wouldn't exactly be shocking, an EV Tacoma would mark a significant shift from previous Tacoma generations. For reference, the bigger Tundra truck will introduce the iForce Max, the first ever hybrid version, in 2023. If a Tacoma hybrid is also planned, it is not yet known. With its so-called Beyond Zero BZ series of electric vehicles, Toyota could introduce its next electric pickup. Sadly, no estimated delivery date has been given for the truck. As a result, we are unsure of whether a hypothetical Tacoma EV will debut in 2023 or 2024. The company claims that by 2030, it will have launched at least 30 EVs worldwide. The upcoming year may have some intriguing developments, according to rumors of a 2023 Tacoma redesign. According to an early report, the next generation Tacoma and Tundra could share a platform to reduce development costs. We'll have to wait to learn more about when the Tacoma will be produced and how much it will cost. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma is likely to be the first completely new Tacoma truck in almost 20 years, with a not only style inspired by the 2024 Toyota Tacoma EV Tundra, but also a new platform, new powertrains, and a larger overall package. We anticipate Toyota will offer more Tacoma models than ever before, including a turbocharged i4, a hybridized V6, and perhaps an electric Tacoma. Price in USA, around $45,000. Release date in 2024.